everyone, I'm Jojo the Techie. I'm a techie, a chromie, and a lover of all technology. As you may or may not know, the final release of Android 11 is quickly approaching. However, there's been a beta out there since June that has been available for Pixel phones. I've been test driving betas 1, 2, and 3, which just dropped last Thursday, and I wanted to give you guys some insight on what those new features are going to be if they make it to the final release. In addition, there's a very fun Easter egg that I will show you at the end of the video. So let's go hands-on with all the features. Google began the public betas with a bang by making notifications the main focus of this update and making a concerted effort of decluttering the UI. The first noticeable change is the addition of the Conversations category with a subsequent header and the grouping of similar items such as emails and messaging apps. You can set specific conversations as priority, default, or silent. These notifications will show the profile picture of said person or group on the lock screen and on the top left of your notifications. Then you have your default alerting notifications and silent notifications right underneath. The silent ones don't bother you with sound or vibrations, but they're there for you to check or dismiss when you want. Other options you have are to clear all notifications, access your notification history, or turn on the bubbles feature, which is brand new in Android 11. You can also snooze or dismiss your notifications altogether. You can also now find your music controls in your quick settings. This even supports more than one app and also provides a quick way to change your output device from your phone to your headphones. The Files app that we know from Android 10 is no more and instead has been replaced by the Files by Google app, which groups your files into categories and incorporates features to optimize the storage of your phone. At last, Android has a native screen recorder. It's been a long time coming. The built-in recorder can be accessed from quick settings and gives you the option to record audio from the microphone, the audio coming out from your device, or both. The way we take screenshots has also changed. It is now accessed by long swiping up until you see the option in the bottom to either select or take a screenshot. Screenshots can be either shared or edited with notes that you can either share, save, or delete. Speaking of sharing, we now have the option to pin and unpin apps that we want to show up at the top of the share menu. Very handy. Holding down the power button now brings up not just the emergency lockdown and power restart options, but also your cards and passes right below. You can't see mine because I'm blocking them out. Also, you can now see your smart home controls at the bottom. This is very reminiscent of Apple's HomeKit app. You can also now schedule dark mode to go on at sunset and off at sunrise. You can also schedule dark mode to go on at a certain time or just manually if you want it right now. As far as security, Android 11 has implemented quite a few changes, such as auto-revoking permissions for apps that you haven't used in a while, allowing only one-time permissions, and finally, the long overdue requirement for Pixel 4 Face Unlock to require your eyes to be open in order to work. And finally, we've arrived to the Easter egg you wanted to see. Android 11 brings back an oldie but a goodie with a game where you collect cats, you feed them, and play with them, and not much else really. While I have your attention though, just want to remind you to click the like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get a notification the next time I upload. Back to the cats. To turn this on, head to Settings, About Phone, Android version, then triple tap where it says Android version 11. You will then see the famous dial that represents Android 11, and you have to try to turn it all the way to 11. You may need to do it 2 to 3 times. Once you've successfully turned the dial to 11, you will see a notification in the bottom in the shape of a cat. This is your cue that you now have the option available to play with. To pet your cat, you will need to head into the Power menu Smart Controls, select Add Controls, then choose See Other Apps. In that list, you should see an option for cat controls. Tap it, add whichever activities you would like to partake in, and save. Have fun raising your virtual cats.